What's up, guys? Simon Jan from SmartSimj Graphics. Happy New Year! This is 2020. How was 2019? Mine was great. Yeah, so welcome to lesson number 6, which is also tutorial number 6. And in this tutorial, I'm going to expand more on the data types. This time, we'll talk more on the arrays. Okay, so an array is a collection of like data types of a collection of values of the same data type. Okay, like have a collection of integers only. Okay, you can have a collection of string, collection of characters only, a collection of double values only. Okay, so it doesn't take more of the single data type. Okay, it's just one data type. Okay, let's create our project and see that in action. Okay, choose Kotlin JVM. Next, lesson 6. Okay. Good. Kotlin file where you okay, so okay, so this is our main function, and now we are dealing with arrays. Arrays in Kotlin. Okay, so as I've already said, we can have only an array of maybe unlimited items, but only of the same data type. Okay, so let's say we have a collection of food items. Okay, so let's put them inside an array. So those are not numbers, but they are names, so they are strings. Okay, so to do that, we can say variable foods and say array, then specify the data type which you want to store is equal to say have SIMA chips no just say like array of SmartSimj chips. What else? Vegetables. I don't know what type of vegetables. Okay. Yeah, so basically this is how we write the array. The syntax is say the variable, like the definition here, and give it a name, and then you specify what data type it should carry, and then don't forget this course is an array, and say array of your items. Okay, and don't forget no semicolons in Kotlin. So another array of numbers, you can say array data type is what? Int. Okay, you say array of, for integers you don't put quotes, you just put the plain numbers. Okay, yeah, so that's how we could write the basic syntax for writing an array. Okay, so let's try to print out items inside our array. To do that, maybe you can say item at position 0 inside is say you get the name food, and then put this square brackets and then specify at 0. Okay, so an array starts at 0, like this is 0 and 1 2. Okay, it's not 1 2, it's 0 1 2. Okay, and those are our free items inside the food array. Okay, let's say, and this one is like 5 items, but at position 0 you have 12. Okay, let's print out the other one. Let's just copy that. Numbers at position like what? 3. Okay, so it's 0 1 2 3. 3 is 1 8. Okay, so numbers, yeah, that's that one. Okay, as you can see, the output is item at position 0 inside full is sim. Okay, that one, and item at position 3 inside numbers is 8. Yeah, so that is correct. Okay, so this is like the basic structure, like the syntax of writing an array. Okay, but there are sometimes maybe you wanna use the other syntax. Say junk foods. Okay, before that, let me show you the other type, maybe an array to carry characters. Say my characters, say my characters. You can do that. Of character is good. Okay. And for this, please use the single quote. Yeah. So you can as well print that one out. But now to the other syntax, you can say value next numbers. Let's say this one are numbers, okay? So you can say int array, okay? From this one we have like substituted this one array like int. Yeah, so you can say int array, and to that you can say int array of, okay? So you put your numbers 5, 5, 8, 12. Yeah, good. For characters, next, okay, you can say character array is equal. Okay, so for this by characters, you see next characters character array, and say character array of, okay, that one, C M, well, okay, I don't know, up to your wish. Yeah, so printing is the same. Set next numbers, and then 2. Okay. There's no, but the second one is the at field position. Okay. So if you put a number which is out of the count of an array, it is going to, it throws an exception. So would say array out of index, whatever. Yeah. So let's give it some time to build. Yeah, so that's good. That is good. Yeah, so basically that's how you can write arrays, okay, in Kotlin. Yeah, it's easy, guys. Don't fear. It's easy. As simple as eating porridge. Okay. So that should do it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more videos.